Welcome to the Linux Int YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about string formatting in Python. The string formatting is a very important task of any type of programming language. It helps the user to understand the output of the script in a proper way. The string formatting can be done in Python in various ways, such as using the percentage symbol, format method, string interpolation, and etc. So in this video, we will see how the string data can be formatted in Python by using different string formatting methods. So in this demonstration, I will use Python3 editor to write and run the script. In Python, two types of parameters can be used. They are positional parameters and keyword parameters. The parameter which is accessed by the index is called the positional parameter, and the parameter which is accessed by the key is called the keyword parameter. So we will discuss the uses of these parameters to format our strings in Python. So first of all, let's discuss format using percentage symbol. This is the oldest method of formatting string data in Python. It works like the formatting used in C language. It uses the positional parameter to format data. So let's see a couple of examples to see that how we can use percentage symbol to format our string in Python. I am creating a new variable here, which is the name variable, and I am taking the input from the user. Input, like enter your name, print. So in order to print the formatted output using the percentage symbol, we have to write here, my name is percentage %s, and here you have to write the name of the variable, that is name. In the line number 2, the value of the variable is printed by using the percentage symbol, and the percentage %s is used in print method to define that the type of the variable is a string. So if I run this program, so we can see here in console, enter your name, and let me enter my name, Kamran, and you can see the output that it has printed the value of the name, that is my name is Kamran. Okay, and similarly if we run this program again, and I enter the name John, and you can see that it has printed here my name is John. So that is how you can format a single string data in Python. Now we will see that how we can format multiple string data. I am defining a new variable here, that is the profession variable, and I'm gonna input the profession from the user. Enter your profession. Okay, and here I will write that my name is percentage %s because the name is a string, and my profession is percentage %s because the profession will also be a string. When we want to format two or more strings using the percentage, then we have to use the bracket to define the group of string values. Like we have to put here the percentage sign, and then we have to put the brackets, and inside these brackets we have to mention the names of the variables that are name and profession. So if I run this program, enter my name Kamran, and my profession is programmer. Let me just add here \n so that we can go to the next line. So if I again run this program and enter your name Kamran, and the profession is programmer, and you can see the output is my name is Kamran and my profession is programmer. So basically it has formatted multiple strings this time. And similarly we can have the third variable here, that is the age variable, and the value of this variable is 24. So we also have to make changes here as well. My name is percentage %s, which is the placeholder for the name variable, and my profession is percentage %s, which is the placeholder for the profession variable, and we have to add the placeholder for the age variable as well, and my age is percentage %d. So the percentage %d placeholder is used when you are dealing with the numbers or the decimal values. And similarly add the age variable here, run this program, enter your name, profession, that is programmer, And you can see the output that my name is Kamran and my profession is programmer and my age is 24. So this is how you can format multiple string data in Python. I hope you got the point. And now we will discuss that how to format a string using the format method. The format method can take both positional and keyword parameters as arguments. It can read multiple arguments and return the formatted output of the string data. So if I define a variable here, color, and I input the favorite color from the user, that enter your favorite color. Alright. And let's print here my favorite color is. In the format method, we use the curly brackets to define positional or keyword parameters. So let me just put curly brackets here. So if we don't define the value of the positional parameter when using the format method, then the value will start from 0. In this case, we have only one variable, so we do not need to define the positional parameter into the curly brackets. And it will automatically start from 0 and it will take the value of the first variable, that is the color variable. And write here dot format and input the name of the variable to this format method. Okay, that is color. Enter your favorite color, that is black. And here you can see that my favorite color is black. And similarly, if we have another variable, that is name variable, and we input the name from the user, enter your name. And inside this print method, I am changing the statement that my name is, and enter the placeholder for the name, and my favorite color is color, and we already have the placeholder for the color. Okay, so now we have the multiple parameters. So first of all, we have to print the value of the name, and the name variable is the second variable, and the positioning start from 0. So we have to enter here 1, and the favorite color variable is the first variable, so we have to enter here 0. And let me just remove this extra e here in this name variable and write here the second variable. Okay, so if we run the program, enter your favorite color, that is black, and your name is Kamran. So as you can see in the output, it has printed that my name is Kamran and my favorite color is black. In the print method, we have basically used the positional parameters. And now we will discuss the string formatting using the keyword parameter. I have created a Python file with the following script in which the user enters the ID, and then we have defined a function to get grade value. And if user enters the ID 1001, then the grade value is A+. And if the ID value is 1002, then the grade is B+. And if the ID value is 1004, then the grade value is C+. And if user enters another ID, then it will considered as invalid ID. So now we have to define the if condition here. And if the condition is true, then we have to print the ID and the grade of the user. And otherwise we have to print the ID of the user with the grade F, which will be the predefined value of the grade. Okay, so I'm gonna define an if condition here. If result ID is not equal to invalid, in this case we have to print the ID and the grade as well. So print ID got grade. So basically we are using the two keyword parameters here, that are ID and grade. Now call the format method, and inside this format method we have to define the variables, that the value of the ID is equal to ID whatever the user will enter, and the grade will be the value which will come from this function. Okay, and the grade is equal to result ID. Alright, and now we have to define the else condition. if the if condition is false, then it will print IT got grade. Okay, dot format IT is equal to IT, and the value of the grade is predefined in this case, which is F. So if we run this program, enter your ID, any ID like 1001, and we can see that 1001 got A plus grade. So basically this line has been executed and it has printed the ID and the grade. And if we enter any other ID like 1003, and we can see that 1003 got F, and in this case this line is executed. So that is how you can format your string using the keyword parameter. And now let's discuss the format using the string interpolation. String interpolation or f-string is a new feature of Python 3.6. Python expression can be added within a string constant to create formatted string data. The character f is used as a prefix with the string constant to format the string. So let's see an example of it. Define a string here str which is equal to input, and we are writing here what is COVID-19. Okay, so now print the output using the f string formatting. Write here print, and here we have to write f when we are formatting the string using interpolation. F COVID-19 is curly brackets, and inside these curly brackets write the name of the string, that is str. Okay, if we run this program, what is COVID-19? It is a virus. So you can see that it has printed COVID-19 is a virus. Okay. And similarly, we can format multiple variables using the f string. For example, I define a variable country, and we have to input the name of the country. What is the name of your country? And similarly, we have to define another variable number, which is equal to input. How many people are affected with COVID-19? All right. So now we have multiple variables, and we have to format the multiple variables using the f string. So define the print method here, print f. We are gonna print the number of the affected people with the country name. So in the placeholder, we have to write the name of the variable, that is number of people affected in country, and write here the name of the country variable. If we run this program, so what is the name of your country? Let me just enter here USA, 25,000 people. Okay, so it has printed here 25,000 of people affected in country USA. So first of all, it has printed the number because we had defined the number placeholder first, and then it has printed the name of the country. So that is how you can format multiple variables using the f string. So in this demonstration, we have seen 4 types of string formatting ways of Python. The new Python programmers will be able to perform string formatting related tasks easily after watching this video. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more useful videos like this. Thank you.